Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 17th of October. Scorpio, I was hearing the song, if you want me to stay, I'll never leave. If you want me to stay, we'll always be. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave. If you want me to stay. Now if you want me to stay, then I believe you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, anyways. Hold up. They don't love you like I love you. Slow down. They don't love you like I love you. Back up. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your should you stay or should you leave, Scorpio. What should you do? You try to focus on being dead, but apparently they keep someone in, Scorpio. We have heart with a key, Scorpio. So welcome in love, meeting the one. Open your heart. Getting together and perfect. So something is perfect, you don't have to overthink it, Scorpio. We have girl talk. Okay, right. Time with friends, moving on. Happily single, living in the moment and having fun. So before we even see if you should stay or leave, it seems like you left already and you're looking to the new horizon. Let's go. Let's see what happens if you stayed. What happened? Would your life be mashed up? Would you have been popularized, blaming social media for your problems? What happened? Let's see what's happening. If you stay, we have the Ace of Wands and we have the Seven of Pentacles. So this could be a business endeavor. If this is a relationship, I'm getting, if you're staying, then you basically have a girlfriend or you have a boyfriend, but there's nothing that can be built on this. So I'm getting like two people at a dead-end job. But you got a fast car. I got a plan to make it out of here. And I had a feeling that I belong. I'm getting two people at a dead-end job who want more from life, but just stuck on educational levels has limited your access to money. So, I'm getting if it's a business endeavor, you not make as much as you think you would have make, or I'm getting you just starting a business. Business takes a long time. Usually the first 3 years is the make or break of the business. Building a business is like building a brand. How people didn't know Nike, how people didn't know Chanel, how people know brands like these. They had to build a clientele. People have to see it. Oh, that look nice. Oh, that look nice on other people. Celebrities wear it. You're building a brand. Nobody don't know you. That's like you're a baby growing up. Nobody don't know you. Okay, you're 7 years old. You want the adults to take it seriously. You want Givenchy to take it seriously. You want Nelson Gomana to take it seriously. Right, you just start. You're not even 7 years in yet. Now, the good thing is I don't think you have any debt, but I feel like, again, if it's a business endeavor, it's going to take a long time for you to be comfortable living on it, right? If this is not a business endeavor and this is a relationship, you're getting a dead-end relationship, you just work, come home, have sex. I don't feel like you guys even go anywhere. I guess you cannot afford it. So that is the life you're living if you're staying. Let's see the life you're living if you're leaving. We have the 10 of Cups and we have the 6 of Cups. 6 of Swords. Literally, if you leave, you're going to get what you want. So are you waiting on this person to get their finances together so you can get your life together, or you're going to find somebody you can get your life together with? Because 10 of Cups, Cancer. We'll have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer here. Could be Pisces. We're getting literally if you leave. If you leave, now you might leave and say, oh, I don't want to leave a relationship I've been in for a very long time because I have kids, right? Okay, all right. Black China had kids when she was with Rob Kardashian, and did that stop him? No, dream was then born because he had a dream that one day he would get back at his sisters and impregnate. He will impregnate Black China with the rings of China, just to race with China with the shaved vagina, just to make it shiny up, right? Okay. So I'm getting if you leave, you get the family where you want, but I'm getting you cannot get what you want in this relationship job. Let's clarify one more time and see. So again, if you stay, we have the Sun card. Again, you might have a child. Maybe you say you don't want to leave because you have a baby for this person. We have the 5. Yeah, but okay, all right. Well, might as well you just leave Because we're getting you have a baby, what support are you getting? None. You are supporting the baby. The person don't even help you. So you're living with the person, or two and a split rent and bills, but me getting you buy stuff for the child. He buys, I don't know what he might buy. You don't know what him buying. You just know that the child, me getting you don't feel fulfilled. You feel like something's a dead end. Yes, you're happy, you want to be in a relationship, but maybe you could be happier. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting it's dead end, literally. So, are you gonna keep wasting time on this? Are you gonna move on? What are you gonna do? You're gonna expect him to change, or are you going to change? Because you asking a man to change his ways is no different from you changing your ways. You saying, stop cheating on me. Well, stop giving the cheater forgiveness. Why can't you just love me like how I love you? It's not hard. It's not hard to walk away either. So the same strength you want him put in for change, that is the strength you have to put into yourself. We have the 9 of Pentacles, again, single life, right? And we have the Emperor. Me tell you, girl, waste your time, waste your energy. Look at this. If you stay, you're gonna work, you're gonna have a baby, and then it's gonna be a dead end. And then eventually I'm not gonna help you with the baby, or I'm gonna cheat on you, so you're not gonna want to even help you. And if you leave, you're going to leave. Look, whoa, who? Both. Leave family into someone's arms. Also, Empress and 9 of Pentacles. Be getting this is the treatment you're gonna get, or be getting even if you're a single woman, you feel better, you feel more beautiful, you feel prettier, you feel so great, you're so behaved. And you are not afraid. I'm getting you feel more sexy, you feel more in control, you feel more empowered. And you might even meet somebody who already have kids, because I see a baby here, maybe you're pregnant. Okay, well, have you watched Jerry Springer? You see how much people wanting to be the father and don't want to be the father? Okay, so you don't worry about your curly hair baby, because we're getting you have kids already, or we're getting who you're going to be with has kids. So let me just get some of these and we'll wrap it up there. And remember, people, wrap it up, because if you don't want babies, that's the only way you can logically prevent them. We have a one way. So there's only one way to do something. You have to leave. You can't stay. You cannot change. It's not gonna work. Because even if you convince yourself, say you're happy, sweetheart, when you go up on social media and scroll through either these fake couples or these couples who are in the honeymoon stage, you're gonna feel bad. Okay, you're gonna say, wow, I wish I could get it, but must be nice. We have the Magician, third eye. We have go outside, and what is? We have the Moon card. Something about your mother. Was your mother a single mother? No, maybe if your mom is a single mother, you would hope to find a husband that would be in union with you. You don't hope to be a single mother too. But maybe you won't be a single mother. Maybe you're just going to be a woman that's remarried to a man who is steps to your children. Okay, all right. They say Cinderella have a happy ending. Did Cinderella have kids? Did Cinderella ever get that dowry? Or did Cinderella just sign away her soul just like Ariel? I'm going to leave it here. Scorpio, until next time. Bye.